Ronaldo, Simoti Mao to Shiri, Yemi Tessum Shibir, and maybe Consul. International, international student, I'm inviting you to our international students. Well, just then, good evening, namaskar. Okay, we're going to start today's evening now, and it's got a little late, more than a little late. I was in the hope that more people would come, and I think we should start because otherwise I think the program will really get late. Today's evening, it's a Rajanama's concert. It's not organized by any other organization in Switzerland. It's Rajanama's own concert, and it's one of the concert. It's one of the top of the Rajanama came out. Rajanama crying concert. Then TCD Gala concert, the concert is TCD through the machine. Did you cry? Captain Martinani, the same time, Captain Amafucho, and Kinishin, Yamamuchi. Only Taliban, the Paradia, Passion, the Karikana, the Majamushi, Muslims. Okay, and Rajanama, he was here last year. He was invited by the TCBN's ex-students for the Gala concert, and he received a lot of donation from the this year, and in between he's going to show a short film what he did with the money in Nepal. And Tariqan Piyadi, they concentrated on the Quran to get and today, Rajanama, all the proceeds from this concert will go to two bridges in Sukapachak in Nepal. And the invitation will return and see. And now we're going to start the evening with singing. The song is Tsawe Singing is Uchishi and Ani sharing the Tsawe Kishina and have a conductor from
Yeah. 둘째나 정말 세계 신기가 많잖아 주에 둘째나 아니 나 보기 드린 건 컨셉 당보디 한 참으로 창식 제스 당나 주에
Kaz Royal Group the King River, King Namina, Royal Group Switzerland, Kaz the number of Mini or the Summer Peromade, and Kaz concert the Nana Constellation at Jure, Hari Anjali Gona, Simu, Nato, Bollywood, a short introduction to this film. He's from the Royal Group. We have a group, a Tibetan dance, or they do all sorts of dances, Bollywood, English, Tibetan, and they're here today. And the second guy who's coming, Lojin is one of them. After him is another guy called Pula. And I won't come again and again on the stage, but one of the time I can't manage to run. Just so and now Sunam Dojin is going to say Hawaii. Sunam was like Sunshi Hawaii is Yashtana and Shanishigo, the Pula, the Sunshi Pama. After that, Pula is going to sing a song called Pama, his parents. And after that, Rajamama is presenting two songs. This show the Rajamama Sunshi Nitana. Ani, to be here.
많이 별거있어. 넥스 쇼크라이브래. 그런 것이 그런 것이 제사는 이제 주저되는 빈체 인상으로 저희 안녕도 많이 별거인 직시기로 상원님도 강하나 이제 그잖아. 여
So
신나게 사면을 가지고 하시는 분들 아니 신입원들이 저번 나오기 나 별거 있어 당연한 신선분들이 파마 피죠 신입원이 파마 피기로 나세 상무 시민한테 한번 나와주세요.
하나의 것을 정하는 아마 순간에 유포되어 부르는 이마의 내가 유포되어 부르는 이마의 내가 이것을 믿어 어디 잘못이며
Thank you so much. अनि अब नेपालीहरु भन्छ टिबेटन भन्छ इंग्लिश पनि भन्छ है but my Tibetan is not that good but still I'll try. Changmala दृष्टिले अनि नेपाली दाजुभाइहरुलाई नमस्कार and thank you so much for coming. के भन्छ it's good to be back here. फेरि पनि एकचोटि स्विसमा आउने मौका पाइयो. Thank you so much and thank you everyone for coming for this good cause. अनि so next song. So this time, since last time when I was here, the Changma Megala, the Gagashi Chigni Jana Yapurela Sura. So this time I came up with like 3-4 Gagashi like right now. Right now let's sing 1-2 Nepali song. Hello. Yeah, they came all the way from Geneva. So thank you. Yeah, I should be all the way from Geneva. So thank you. Yeah. They came last time as well when there was GCP Gala. They came last year as well, and now they just got here. Thank you, my friend. Thank you so much. I mean, so I'm going to sing a few Nepali, few Tibetan, and then few Hindi. Okay. So and we have a slideshow as well about the thing. About the concert and about the thing that because last time when I was here, we raised some money and. I raised some money in US and all around the places, and with that money, the slide that we're going to show. So it's that will tell you that what we did with the money. But right now, I'm going to sing another song, another Nepali song. So there's 3 Nepali songs, 2 Nepali songs, and then 1 Tibetan, and then Mongoli. Okay, so this is just the beginning. All right, so here we go. Another song. That's lovely, thank you. Okay, so there's another song. This song is a folk song from Nepal, but especially it's from eastern part of Nepal. But I twisted it a little bit and he made it more modern. Right? So here we go, another Nepali shape. He देउता जुराइदेउन एउटा ओके यस्तो छ कि सो नेपालीमा के छ भने कस्तो भन्छ मान्छेले when you like someone you always wish to be with that person not only for one life, you know, but like life after life. So this shares like that. So I'm praying for, you know, my to be with my loved one for another life as well. So he देउता जुराइदेउन एउटा So there we go. The Nepali शेर सुन छ सुरता one एक Nepali एक Tibetan तो बनता है ना so one Tibetan song is I don't know because and this is a beautiful song and this is originally sang by Losang Pandela. So this is a beautiful song. It's about His Holiness and Panchen Lama. So and I want to dedicate this song to all the Tibetans around the world over here, and I not only me, our Nepali family, Nepali friends, Nepali well-wishers who came here. We want to dedicate this song to all the Tibetans around the world, in Swiss and inside Tibet, outside Tibet. So thank you very much. Actually, so I don't know, this is coming for me, but I hope you all enjoy. So now we're gonna. So did you like the song? Yeah. The biggest is Mango Jangi, right? Maybe next time, I don't know when I come here, I'll try my best to speak fluently in Tibetan. So we're gonna do the slideshow. So this is like I think maybe some of you guys must be there when at CCV Gala party. Were you guys there? Yeah, right. So that time we raised some money. I think around 2,000 franc. And Mrs. Barbara, she's here. She donated $400, 400 Swiss franc, and including that money, we raised almost 2,200 Swiss franc. And besides that, I raised like I raised some money in Swiss. America too, and including the money that I raised here and everything. I raised $45,000 that time, and with that money, I went to Nepal, and actually, everyone knows what happened in Nepal, right? There was a big earthquake. A lot of people, we lost a lot of our Nepalese, and even we lost our Tibetan brothers and sisters too. So we lost a lot of people, and especially Naga Saja is the hardest hit area. It's called Siddhartha. So I went to my village, and we supported 10 schools for the temporary shelter, and then we were the first team to send the kala, the relief in our village and the neighboring areas. So we're gonna have this slide. I think and okay, yeah. So besides that, right, whatever money I raised, everything was so bad. So the money that I raised, because after that, all the like relief thing we did, I went back to Adi, and then we got some money left. So they said they want the Samba, the bridge. So we are building the bridge over there, but we'll show you later. So. Here, so yeah, can you come here? The changma the dust and this calendar she made.
Shiro, an artist, American painter, and Paris, I mean, these arts local artists, Pula, and Pikachu. According to the captain, which is Jimmy Perana, Horgan, Nasia, Yeta, Ticasirona, and Naju Rangers of the Canada, having Chama language of Yachi Peronas from the Jedi and the East of the ground. And Kamabeta, and Nishi, from Chishoka, and Shuja, and Kalkan, Lodela, Sudona, Chana, and Yachi Peronas, last up the team. Someone to be Chana, and Perona. Thank you very much. He's Yunus brother, Tachana Ragila, and Salamla Tachina Ziki model, and Desam and Putila, also completely model. Kakak Tachina. I think some of you have come all the way from France. Special thanks to Raju's friend from France and Geneva. Yeah, nobody's listening, doesn't matter. 아니, 오늘 shooting March 5th, Tibet Zurich Gala, 민지 패러는 스미합시다, 예. 민지. 단단히 단단히 시간 내줘야 이런 나야마. 단단히 마시네 페스트는 많이 전화를 드려. 오케이. 라주 이쁘나 좀 뭐야? 머리 옆에 나왔어. 훈아, 얘기해요. 훈아, 얘기 옆에 라주 머리 진단한 게 있는데 선들. 아, 맞나? Quando está, a gente não vai ter aulas lá. Não já é uma temos aulas para treinar. Para treinar, temos para treinar. Muitas pessoas não têm de gotas para treinar.